Sure, we might want a dumb phone, but that doesn't mean we don't want to customize and look at different themes and make it feel a little bit more us, right? So today, I've picked my two current, that's important, current favourite themes that I found for the CAT S22 Flip. Hello and welcome to Dumbphones UK. My name is Joseph. I look at dumb or dumber phones on the UK market. And here's my two favourite themes. Let's go. Hope it's useful. The links are below. Please like, please subscribe. Behave yourselves. The first theme that I'm going to show you today is OLauncher, and it is a super minimal theme and something that I think just really suits the CAT S22 Flip. Now I'm going to jump in to the launcher itself. I've got it set up so that it has 4 applications available to me. The first one being WhatsApp, so I'm just going to jump through these and show you that everything that is set up and connected works with OLauncher. So I'm now just going to open the camera, and on opening the camera you can see that loads as expected. Again, hop back to my home page, which is just super simple. I've got Waze there, and Waze will open as normal. And then finally, if I close these apps, and I accidentally clicked WhatsApp there, I'm just going to hop into my Google Calendar here. And again, I'm just going to click through here to show you that it all works. Now, I want to show you how OLauncher itself works. By long holding on the screen, you're able to hop into the back end of the settings, basically. And so you can edit and change the appearance. So at the moment, I currently have 4 apps on my home screen. You can increase or decrease that depending on what you want to do. You are able to sort of make some changes in terms of aesthetic. So if you want to just have the day only, I've just selected that there, and you'll see that the time disappears. I quite like having the time there, so I'm going to turn that back on. And then also text size, you can bring that down to tiny, or obviously you can pop that right back up. I put it on 6. 7 seems to overlap slightly. And then if you did want to change the apps that are available there, what you do is hold on to the app itself, and then you just head down, find the one you want. I've clicked Chrome, and you'll see that it's updated it. So it's really that simple. And I just love the sleek, minimal, black and white look of this device. I want to show you how you can access all the other apps as well. So by swiping up, you'll see that every app that I have available on this phone just appears in a list. So I've just clicked into Google Files there, and you can see that. So that is OLauncher, and I think it just looks fantastic. Now we're on to Big Launcher. Now Big Launcher is designed for seniors, but for people using the CAT S22 Flip as a transition device, I think it works really well. So as you can see, you've got sort of almost cartoonish big buttons on the device, and I'm going to run through and show you where they lead to now. So we have the clock, we then have our phone here. I've obviously only got one contact here, so it's very simple. It's sort of all made to be extremely intuitive, so just one click away. Now I did have to install a big SMS launcher for this, but I want to show you how it looks. And what I've done is I'm going to reply to my own phone, my iPhone that I have, and I'll just send myself a message. So I'm using the keyboard below, and I'm just going to type out a message here, and then I'm going to send that and show you how it kind of looks in the Big Launcher style of thing. I appreciate that this looks very different to OLauncher. OLauncher was very minimal. This is a bit more sort of high contrast, big buttons in your face, but given the design and the need for this and you know, it was initially designed for seniors, I think that it suits and works quite well for that. And I'm just showing you that you can use the keypad to navigate this theme as well. So I've done that. There we go, and you can see at the bottom that the SMS was sent and delivered. So that was texting side on Big Launcher. Now camera, as expected, that loads up the camera, exactly what we want it to do. Just going to hop out of that and load into the Google Gallery. So you can see here the gallery. This is just the recordings of things and the photos of myself. Now this button is an interesting button. It's the SOS button, and again, as the phone was designed for seniors, it's a really interesting concept. So you have an SOS button. You can either have an SMS call or an SMS text for the SOS button. You can set up and configure who you want your SMS SOS to go to, and you also have that for the call option as well. And then finally, we have all of our available apps are here in Big Launcher. So it's super simple.
and a nice theme to use.
There we have it. That was Big Launcher and OLauncher. Both of those are available on the Play Store. You can hop down and you can grab them. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. They're just themes that I've used and have liked, and I wanted to share with you because why not look at what this phone can do and make it a bit more exciting, eh? As ever, behave yourselves. I will see you next week for another video. Bye.